Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn a super easy way to bookmark your favorite website in Google Chrome. So let's start it. First we must open Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome. Maximize. Okay. And now let's go to the website you want to bookmark. Just type the website address in the top bar here and type, let's say, or you can type here, you know that, New York Times. This is New York Times. Great. You are on the website. To bookmark it, look for the star icon here on the right side of the address bar. This is address bar and this is this star. Click on the star and now new window will pop up. This window. Here you can edit this bookmark. Let's say I will use name. I will not change the name. You can change it if you want. Now choose a folder. I will choose bookmark. All bookmarks or bookmarks bar. If you don't have open it bookmarks bar, you can open it. I will show you how to open bookmark bar. Okay, I will click done. And now my bookmark is, click on these three vertical dots and just go to bookmarks and other bookmarks, and here is your bookmark. New York Times. Now I will show you how to enable this bookmark bar if you don't have it. Just click three dots, settings and appearance, and here you have show bookmark bar. I click on, I check this box and now I have it. All bookmarks here. If I want, I can bookmark also like this. Just click on this icon and drag it to the bookmark bar here. You can do also like that if you want. Now if I go open new tab, click on New York Times, and I have bookmark. And that's it. Super simple. Now you can bookmark all your favorite websites and never lose them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.